how to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see all the Google accounts currently signed in on your phone. Next, tap Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you to your phone's account settings, where you'll find all the Google accounts linked to your device. Select the Gmail account that you want to remove. Then tap Delete Account. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Keep in mind that removing the account will also remove its associated data, such as Gmail, contacts, and calendar information from your device. It will not permanently delete your Google account. Tap
OK to confirm.
And the selected Gmail account will be removed from your Android phone. That's it. You've successfully learned how to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.